I was using your hammer. I couldn't find my hammer. Is that okay that I was using your hammer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Next time I'll ask you. Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be removing my cauliflower from its bed because look at it. Womp, womp. I actually sowed the seeds in, I think it was like August, middle of August, but they decided to come out in February and it was already too hot here in El Paso. The weather goes from being 35 degrees to 80 degrees, so look at them. They weren't happy. Anyway, I did get, I think, maybe 1 or 2 out of them, and I had 5. So anyway, I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna remove these. These are heavy feeders. Cauliflower is considered a heavy feeder, so I'm gonna fix the nitrogen by adding miniature clover. I did have my packet, I don't anymore. We're gonna add a miniature clover. These are carrots, this is onion, but I'm gonna put miniature clover all over, remove these. And actually I'm gonna have my mom make albóndigas soup, sopa de albóndiga, with these leaves. I read you could eat them, so instead of repollo, I'm gonna have her use this and see how that comes out. I'll let you know how it goes. So I'm gonna remove the mulch, add the seed, and then later I'm gonna add bell peppers right here. So let's do this. There were red ants on the stems, which they don't usually do damage to plants themselves per se, but they do have a symbiotic relationship with aphids in that they help each other out. The aphids feed on the sap from the plants and take out a liquid called honeydew, and this is what the ants use as food. I got this micro clover from True Leaf Market and I just sprinkled it on. Then I added peat moss on top, and I don't normally use peat moss because it's bad for the environment and all. But my husband had it already, so I used it to keep the seeds moist longer. Hey y'all, so 11 days later, we got little sprouts coming out of the micro clover. They're in patches, it's not coming out evenly. I added my 3 bell peppers, so stay tuned.